Hello modders! This video will show you how to replace the rotor's oscillating weight of an NH movement. We will replace the stock oscillating weight of this NH movement with the black one to match its case color. Once you open the case back, you will need a wide jeweler's screwdriver. Carefully unscrew the oscillating weight from the rotor and use a twister to lift it. Place the hole of the replacement oscillating weight at exactly where you unscrewed the previous one. Screw to tighten, but make sure it freely swings. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, make sure to subscribe, like, and share.